sought-after end-unit townhome in Ashland. This floor plan offers 2 primary bedrooms each with their own baths. The first floor offers an open concept allowing for flexible living space to include family room with fireplace, dining area, and kitchen with bar seating. The community offers a saltwater pool, playground, and clubhouse you can reserve for larger functions. Walking distance to shopping, restaurants, the train station, and Randolph Macon College. New items: carpet, flooring, deck, painting, vanities, kitchen cabinets, stove, washer/dryer, and more. HVAC recently serviced to ensure you are ready to move right in. Appliances do convey.